Take the fish for Rs1 a kilo. Hey brother, tell me how much does one fish cost? One for Rs1, offer me one for 90. I will take both the fish. Okay, take this. 2 kilon fish for Rs10. Why did you weigh it with water? You think yourself smart. Take this. Now just weigh the fish. Take this. Now the weight of both came out to be 1 kilo. Wait, I will now blow air over the fish, then it will dry up. After that, you can weigh it. Now weigh it. This fish has completely dried up. Let it go. I don't want to take it. Subscribe.